Ecovac floating containers can be transported to the place of accident by transport helicopters within just a few hours. Such a quick response prevents the oil spill from moving towards the coast.
Vyvinuli sme zariadenie, ktoré je 100% ekologické.
Ak je pravda len 80% toho, čo je v letákoch, tak to môže byť dosť výrazná bomba.
Nezdá sa mi, že by to mohlo tak fungovať, ako je to popisované.
Well, I read it very carefully a few times and sort of a little skeptical.
Ecovac works fully without any additional compounds, and therefore it doesn't produce any waste. This fact is the main environmental contribution of the equipment. It is a 100% green technology. Major benefits of Ecovac. Only a small quantity of water, about 1/20th of the oil mass, is skimmed together with spilled oil during the disaster disposal. And the result of the repair is recovered oil, which can be used again containing no new chemical compounds, with maximum 3% of water. A small amount of industrial quality water, which contains from 1 to 35 milligrams of crude oil compounds per liter and is released back at the spill location. Let's have a look at this unique environmental miracle. Here you are, meet the Ecovac 2000 equipment. Ecovac works up to a wave height of 6 meters and corresponding wind force with water temperatures as low as -2.5 Celsius. Ecovac 2000 comprises of 6 independently and concurrently working remotely controlled 40-foot floating containers. Ecovac 2000 removes up to 2 million liters of oil spill per hour, being operated by only 24 people, in addition to operators of tugboats and the tanker collecting the crude oil pumped out by Ecovac.
Hrúbka ropného znečistenia nie je limitovaná, dokáže teda odstrániť až niekoľko molekúl hrubú vrstvu ropného znečistenia. Ecovac dokáže pracovať aj vo veľmi plytkých, niekoľko centimetrov hlbokých vodách.
Ecovac needs no service background support because it doesn't use any chemicals, filters, absorbents, dispersants, or instruments. No waste, such as oil-soaked absorbents or contaminated water, is ferried from the spill location. Ecovac works independently, without the need of any support activities, and it's 100% environmentally friendly. The oil damage repair system by Ecovac is based on a tortuous airflow over the polluted water level, with floating suction nozzles which copy the action of the wavy water surface.
Náklady na likvidáciu ropných havárií Ecovacom sú zanedbateľné proti nákladom iných technológií.
Gulf of Mexico 2010. An explosion on the Deepwater Horizon drilling rig in the Gulf of Mexico on the 20th of April 2010 caused a spill of 147 million liters of crude oil into the sea. According to Willis Group Holdings and BP, the bill for this disaster may exceed $90 billion. 30,000 people volunteered on the coast of the Gulf of Mexico to collect crude oil, clean up the beaches, and treat the affected animals. The total oil spill removal with the Ecovac 2000 technology would have taken about 74 hours. Without the use of chemicals and with a 100% environmentally friendly system and no waste. The costs of the total oil spill removal by Ecovac 2000 technology wouldn't have exceeded the amount of $300 million. Exxon Valdez disaster. More than 11,000 people, 1,400 ships, and 85 airplanes worked for 3 years to eliminate the consequences of this disaster. Less than 200 people would have had to work on the repair of damage with the use of the Ecovac 2000 technology. For just a few days only, with only 6 independently working and remotely controlled 40-foot floating containers, 1 tanker, and 2 tugboats.
Šokujúco jednoduchý a vyzerá, že to funguje.
Je to šok, je to neuveriteľné.
Well, I think I was very impressed. I didn't know what to expect. And I think the technology is tip-top technology never seen before. So I think it was very impressive.
Pri použití súčasných technológií pri odstraňovaní ropných havárií sa považuje za úspech, ak sa dokáže odstrániť 30 až 40 ropnej škvrny. Pri použití technológie EcoVac dokážeme odstrániť viac ako 99 objemu ropnej škvrny.
The times of helplessly viewing lengthy and often struggling management of rescue operations by oil spill disasters are over. We know that every minute of a rescue operation has a priceless value. We are part of one huge but fragile ecosystem which will not overlook our human weaknesses forever and ever. Major environmental disasters can be handled faster and more efficiently with EcoVac equipment. Think of nature. Think of the earth, which must be protected much more than it appears.